This video is a bit out of the blue, but some guy in the comments asked if I can make a tutorial on how I edit my videos. And I gotta admit, I'm a bit new to this editing thing, but I could have used some tips when I started, and I'm gonna give some to you guys. So, first things first, if you don't have a computer, then I'm sorry. But I will leave a really good editor down in the description. It's unlimited, has no watermarks, and it's free to use and really easy to use. Oh, I almost forgot. It's an editor for mobile, the one that I'm about to put in the description. It's on the Play Store. I don't know about the Apple Store, by the way. Lightworks is a free video editor that anyone can learn how to use. It's super simple and it makes my life a lot easier. So, first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create a New Project. You're going to want to give your project a name, obviously. And as you can see, I'm very creative with my names. And click Create. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is click on the video that you want to upload. What you're going to want to do is click on Create a New. Yep, that's the one. And then you click Import. And it'll bring it up here, and then you can drag it down here and edit the video. Down here are the audio tracks. Right here is the video track. You can add another one if you want to put another video on top of this video, which I don't understand why you would. But it's an option. So, as you can see here, it's like pretty small, and when I'm making really tight cuts, I like it zoomed in. You're wondering how to make a cut. This edit tab is where you make all the cuts and do voiceovers. To make a cut, just click C, and to do a voiceover, click here and click record. Now, this is the video, this is my intro, and I have a lot of parts to cut here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, oh shoot, that's the wrong intro. Oh my god. Okay. This video is right there. 14 plus 5. This video is There we go. Bam. And since I messed up, you can just left click on this and delete it. And it'll push that forward. This video is a bit out of the blue, but some guy in the comments asked if I can make a tutorial on how I edit my videos. And I gotta admit, I'm a bit new to this editing thing, but I could have used some tips when I started, and I'm gonna give some to you guys. So, first things first, if you don't have a computer, then I'm sorry. But I will leave a really good editor down in the description. It's unlimited, has no watermarks, and it's free to use and really easy to use. Whew. That was cool. That was good. That was good. And that was me celebrating because I successfully did an intro. Down in the description. It's unlimited, has no watermarks, and it's free to use and really easy to use. Whew. I made a cut right there. That was cool. That was good. That was good. Okay. Take a breath. You see, these type of things add a bit of comedic effect to the video. Makes the mood a little bit brighter. Okay. So the editor that I use is Lightworks. Alright, so I'm just going to go back here, and I'm going to show you guys some effects that you actually really need to use. So, as you can see, all of this is pretty useless for now. I'm going to make another cut right here where I start. But I could have used some tips when I started, and I'm going to give some to you. So here to here is a huge cut. So what you're going to want to do is go over to VFX. stands for visual effects, and you're gonna click on this and click effects, add. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, just click effects, add, and 2D DVE, and you can move it around like this. X position moves sideways, Y position moves down and up. Say I wanted to zoom in on my cursor, I'd go like this, and then I'd go to master, and then I'd go like this, and then I'd keep on positioning it until it's zoomed in on my cursor. And adds a bit of life to the video, because nobody likes a video where nothing's moving around like that. See? And this is what it'll look like. Views. Whew. That was cool. That was good. That was good. Okay. Take a breath. Okay. So the video... You can add even more effect to this by making cuts and stuff. So what you do now is go to effects, add, or actually you remove the effects from these three. Remove the effects from these three. Remove, and remove. Now we're just going to add the effects again, but instead of zooming in this time, we're going to zoom out. So select these two and go to effects, add, 2D DVE, and put the master out. So you may want to make it a bit smaller here, and then a bit smaller here by going to effects, add, 2D DVE, and putting the master even lower than it was before. And now this one over here should be the smallest of them all, and it just adds a lot of life to your videos. I do it a bit, not a lot because I don't edit a lot of videos, but I don't know why it's not moving, but whatever. I mean, you can just stay like that if you want. Okay, so here it is. Wow, this is very annoying. So you can go even lower like that. So basically it'll look like this. Use. Whew. That was cool. That was good. That was good. Okay. Take a breath. Okay. So the video... So that's about all you need to know about normal video editing. But let's say you have a laggy video, or your video is blurry. I'm gonna teach you how to fix that before you upload. Okay? So what you're gonna do is give it another name, create it. Let me find a laggy video real quick. I know which one it is. So basically, one thing to know is that Lightworks does not like MKV files. So if you use OBS and you're using an MKV file, what you're going to want to do is go to Remix Recording, go to OBS Recording, go to Target, click on the three dots, and find the video recording that you're going to want to put as an MP4 file. And after this, you're all set, and you need to click on the video you want, open it, and click Remix. It'll take less than a second to turn the video into an MP4 file without corrupting the file itself. So now your video is ready to be used in Lightworks without glitching out. So you go to log and find that file that you just made, yeah. And click on that file and click import. And now I'm confused as to which one's which, but let me just delete this one then. Yep. And now drag this one in here, and it should be the full video. Look at this video. it's fine until I open the app and the game. I was not playing like this, obviously. I do not play the game like this. It's just that the encoding on OBS was overloaded, and the video, instead of recording at 1080p 60 frames, it recorded at 1080p 20 frames. The game itself was running smooth, but the video recording was really laggy, and it froze for a hot 2 seconds there. So to fix this, all you're going to need to do is go to speed and put the speed up to as much as you need, depending on how much you're lagging. I think I should put this one up to 200%, not going to lie. And it'll clear up the frames. Like, let's say let's say your video is a bit choppy. You'd put it at 100%, 110%, and the difference will not be noticeable, but the frames will drastically change. And yes, the video quality is better, but it's still not good. But it's still something that you can try if you do have a laggy video and you can't do anything about it. Obviously, it might not be as laggy as mine, but you can always drastically change the frames on any other video. So now let's say your recording is blurry. All you're gonna need to do is go to VFX and go to Add Effects and click Sharpen, and then you can choose the amount you want to sharpen it by, and that'll remove the blur. I do not recommend doing it too much because then it will look like this, but doing it like halfway will make the video much less blurrier, and it really affects the quality of the video, makes it more watchable, you know? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I didn't go over much, but that should be enough to get you started on YouTube and on editing quality videos. I mean, if you have the right ideas, you'll make it on YouTube. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I'm not a big YouTuber myself, but I know that's what works, and that's what I need to do, and that's why I'm taking suggestions from you guys in the comments. And let's say you guys want to be part of my videos. Just follow me on Twitter. I'll leave the link in the description. You can follow me there, and I'll post whenever I'm doing like a challenge video or a multiplayer video. You guys can join and be part of some amazing content. And who knows? Maybe you'll have fun. See you guys.